In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ribbon microphone icon in Figma fast 2025 guide. We'll start by grabbing a reliable icon plugin so you don't have to draw from scratch. Open Figma and head to the community section from the main menu or the home icon. Switch to the plugins tab, then search for a popular icon plugin like Iconify, Icons 8, or Font Awesome. Look for solid ratings and recent updates to ensure it's dependable. When you find one you like, click install to add it to your Figma workspace. That's all you need to prepare your toolkit. Now add the icon to your design. In your Figma file, right-click on the canvas or go to the top menu and choose Resources, then Plugins. Run the icon plugin you just installed, use the plugin search bar, and type microphone. Then browse the results for a design that resembles a classic ribbon microphone. Pay attention to the silhouette and the grill pattern so it matches that vintage look. When you find one that fits your style, select it and either import it as a component or frame, or simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Importing as a component is handy if you want easy reuse and consistent updates, while drag and drop is the quickest way to place it. With the icon on your canvas, you can customize it to match your design system. Because it comes in as a vector SVG, it will scale cleanly. To resize, select the icon and hold shift while dragging a corner so the proportions stay intact. To recolor it, keep the icon selected and use the fill control in the right sidebar. Choose a brand color or a neutral tone that aligns with your UI. If the icon has multiple layers, you may need to select specific parts or apply a color style to the group for a unified look. For deeper edits, right-click and choose Outline Stroke or Flatten to convert strokes into fully editable shapes. This is great if you want to tweak the mic's grill lines, adjust the stem width, or refine the base. Before you flatten, duplicate the icon so you keep an editable original. After editing, check that stroke weights and corner radii feel consistent, especially if you scale the icon up or down. That's it. You installed an icon plugin, added a ribbon microphone to your canvas, and tailored it to your design. This approach keeps your workflow fast, consistent, and flexible. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with speed in Figma.